Avert your gaze. Oh, fuck, he's going for it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Fuck this, get a new exhaust. It's so rusty that it's like... I don't think this thing's even powerful enough, to be honest. It doesn't even seem to be melting anything but the wire. And that's on max raz, it even says max. Whatever. What do you want to do? I haven't done anything. I haven't done a fucking thing. You can see that it's just sitting on top of it all.
Break it.
That'll hold. It'll hold.
Once it's all the way around, it will hold. If it's already strong enough to take the weight of the cat on its own.
Maybe.
It's not going to come as it's not going to be smashing the fucking crapper. It's going to be inside the frame.
It's there though. Look. It's not done a fucking thing. Look. You can see it hasn't melted this side. I don't know what to do, to be honest. So I just keep going for it. Oh well, I might as well, innit? It's so fucked at this point.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Where's the
We can drill out these bits and then we can put new bolts through.
Where did I put it? Wow.
It'll be on film.
Can we carry on then?
I reckon it'll hold if you go all the way around.
Yeah, but I'm thinking it won't hold for right now. I don't think it'll hold for 5 fucking minutes when it's on the car.
That'll be alright.
Quite a bit of a gap to fill out. Well, it's holding, isn't it?
Hang on.
No, don't worry about clamping it.
You want to push it together?
No, I think they'll pop the other weld if I squeeze it. I really do.
I think it would have popped by now if it did. Oh, you shit anyway.
Oh yeah. Make sure you have a good somewhere around there, wasn't it? Yeah. Oh. Make sure you don't welt your main wire.
Is it bright then?
Yes.
And the phone fully render all the details.
I don't know because I haven't looked at it in real life. I assume not.
Oh, this fucking wire's a pain in the cock. Fucking hell.
You're looking directly at it, Harrison.
Oh.
Oh.
You can see the reel in the machine. It's like pivoting massively as it goes around.
Alright, well.
There it is! Go on, Dan, look at that.
Babby's first weld.mkv.
MOT pass, I think.
Should we try the wiggle test?
That's fine, that'll be fine. Don't smash it, it's not going to take any hitting impact.
It's going to be under the car going fucking everywhere constantly.
I learned this from the old RXS foot peg mod. Just don't hit it, it will be fine. That's not a bad job.
I need to film them up, look. Is that here though? It hasn't. You can see it hasn't melted. Whereas like,
You actually got it to get quite hot there.
yeah. I found the tactic like there looks a lot cleaner than this shit, and I think the idea is you just get a red hot ball and sort of push this ball along, and it seems to melt everything. The underside's grotesque. Or is that the top side? The top side. Either way, that'll have to do you.
Yeah. I think it'll work.
I don't think it will.
Fill up those holes at the top there.
Yeah.
We'll patch all the holes now across the car. And we'll snap it in and see how it looks.
Always make sure you have a good air.
This is what they say in every video.
hole.
Pure electricity, that is straight from the main.
No, that'll do, wouldn't it? Jesus Christ.
There we go.
It looks so bad.
It doesn't have how it looks at all. That looks packaged, Luke.
As long as it holds.
You're
right?
definitely improving.
But yeah, but the trouble is it hasn't melted it.
Yeah, whatever. I can see it's on the can. It's attached. Is it attached, Daniel?
This
Yeah.
side's melted, the other side hasn't. Is it attached? Can we just try one whack test?
No, because it will break off. I know it will. It's not going to get hit where it is in the car. It's going to stay suspended. And it's going to be on rubberized mounts. It's not going to get impact.
Look at these, Daniel. This is what I should be doing.
That's a fat bastard, man.
Nice and neat.
That's a weld?
Let's put it in the car then. Yeah, these cans will be welded in.
Oh, wow.
Here's my one. If you look on this perfect example,
I got to do that all
has
over.
failed slightly.
I got to do that all over again while it's on the car. I don't know how I'm going to get on top of it.
No, we won't have to do that. We'll figure out another way of mounting it to the other side.
Stop the video now and it'll look good.